In this video, you'll learn how to create an API key on Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully generated your own API key, enabling you to interact with the Binance platform programmatically. Start by opening your desktop browser and navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, locate and select the option labeled API Management. Clicking this will take you to the API Management page. It is essential to remain on this page to proceed with the creation of your API key. After a brief loading period, you will see the API Management interface, which allows for the creation and management of your API keys. Next, you will need to create a new API key. Look for the section titled Create a New API on the API Management page. Here, you will find a field prompting you to enter a label name for your API key. Choose a descriptive label that will help you identify this key later. After entering the label, click on the button labeled Create API. This action will initiate the process of creating your API key. After clicking Create API, you will be prompted to complete a security verification process. This may involve entering a code sent to your registered email or using two-factor. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete these security steps. Once verification is successful, your new API key will be generated and displayed on the screen. With your API key created, the next step is to configure its permissions. You will see options for setting permissions such as read-only access or trading access. Choose the appropriate permissions based on how you intend to use the API key. After configuring the permissions, be sure to save both the API key and its secret in a secure location. It is crucial to never share your API secret publicly to maintain the security of your account. And that completes the process of creating an API key on Binance. Thanks for watching and see you next time.